Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sruja Study Circle. In my previous video, we have discussed about dinosaurs and domains or realms. Okay, now we have discussed about these two topics. I hope you all have understood these concepts. Now, what we are going to discuss in today's video, as you saw in the title of this video, we are going to discuss about animals. Okay, animals. In these animals we have three categories almost. One is mammals, another is birds, okay, and another one is not very important, but it is little bit important because it is us humans. We come in the categories of mammals, but also we will take that it as separate. Okay, now you can tell that it has only two categories, mammals and birds. So now we are going to discuss about this, but not in a lecture way, but we are going to discuss about these animals in very interesting topic. I have tried some new thing, that is I am going to discuss about these animals in a quiz form. Okay, these are some rules, I will tell them now. So we are going to discuss about the animals in the quiz type. Now, what are the rules for this quiz? Main important rules than quiz is, again there are three very important rules. First one is, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And if you like this video, you answered almost or some questions, then hit the like button and make it blue. And another thing, that if you got some knowledge from this video, then don't forget to share, because you have to share the knowledge. Okay, now what are the rules for this quiz? Let us see. So, the rules for this quiz, first rule is, there will be 15 questions. Okay, how much questions? 15 questions, 10 seconds each time for answer, 10 seconds. Okay, 15 questions. And you have to answer them, and how much did you answer the questions, you can comment down in the comment section to get me know, and you have to hit the like button if you have answered them some of the questions. Okay, now these are some rules. We will get started in our today's video. So let us begin with our today's topic, animals quiz. So guys, we all know that we are going to discuss about animals in the quiz form. So let us begin with our first question. So our first question is, what is the maximum speed of cheetah? There will be 15 questions and 4 options for each question and 10 seconds time for answering the questions. You should comment down in the comment section before saying the answers. Okay, now our first question is, what is the maximum speed of cheetah? Option A, 70 kilometers per hour. Option B, 90 kilometers per hour. Option C, 96.5 kilometers per hour. Option D, 98 kilometers per hour. So your time starts now. Okay, let me tell the correct answer. Our correct answer is option C, 96.5 kilometers. Okay, now let us see the fact about this cheetah. Cheetah is the fastest land animal. I think many of you know cheetah is the fastest land animal. So let us move further to our next question. So our second question is the process in which some animals sleeps during winter is known as. We have to tell the answer. Option A, agestion. Option B, hibernation. Option C, dehydration. Option D, migration. Your time starts now. Okay, so let me tell the right answer. Our right answer is hibernation. Okay, let us see the fact. The fact is the animals like brown bears and the black bears live without food and water for almost 6 months when they go for hibernation, because there will be scarcity of food. Okay, let us move further. So our third question is, which is the long living animal in the following? Option A, fish. Option B, snake. Option C, giant tortoise. Option D, humans. Your time starts now. So let me tell the right answer. The right answer is giant tortoise. So let us see the fact. Giant tortoise can live up to 100 and 155 years. Okay, so now let us move further. So our fourth question is, the organs by which fishes breathe are called dash. So options are option A, lungs. Option B, fins. Option C, gills. Option D, stomata. Your time starts now. Right option is option C, gills. Okay, let us see the fact. The fact of this is, there is one fish which has lungs and also breathe with lungs, that is lungfish. So our fifth question is, which is the slowest and laziest animal in the world? So let us see the options. Option A, tortoise. Option B, snail. Option C, sloth. Option D, turtle. So your time starts now. Okay, now let me tell the right answer. The right answer is option C, sloth. Yes, sloth is the slowest and the laziest animal in the world. So let us see the fact. Sloths sleep for 18 hours a day and they live in Central and South America. Yes. Which is the most poisonous animal in the world? So let us see the options. The options are option A, cobra. Option B, crab. Option C, lobster. Option D, sea wasp. So your time starts now. So let me tell the right answer. The right answer for this question is option D, sea wasp. Yes, it is the most poisonous animal in the world. So let us see the fact. Sea wasp is the most poisonous animal in the world, as I told. It is a kind of jellyfish and is a colorless animal. It doesn't have any color. Okay, so let us move further. So our seventh question is, the process in which the animals adjust themselves to the conditions is known as dash. Option A, adaptation. Option B, migration. Option C, extinction. Option D, injection. Okay, so your time starts now. So let me tell the right answer. The right answer is option A, adaptation. So let us see the fact. The fact is, a chameleon can change its color according to its surrounding. This is an best example of adaptation. Which animal is blind at birth? Option A, cow. Option B, deer. Option C, tiger. Option D, kangaroo. So your time starts now. Okay, so let me tell the right answer. The right answer is option D, kangaroo. Okay, now let us see the fact. The fact is, kangaroos are only found in Australia, and so they are national animal of Australia. So let us move further. Our ninth question is, which animal do not drink water at all? Option A, rat. Option B, kangaroo rat. Option C, camel. Option D, mouse. So your time starts now. Okay, so let me tell the right answer. The right answer is option B, kangaroo rat. Yes, the kangaroo rat. So let us see the fact. The fact is, the kangaroo rat can survive without drinking water at all. They suck the juice of the things they eat. So our next question is, which animal cannot see orange color at all? Okay, our options are option A, zebra. Option B, giraffe. Option C, leopard. Option D, kangaroo. So your time starts now. Right answer for this question is option A, zebra. Yeah. So our next question is, which is the fastest flying bird? Option A, peregrine falcon. Option B, hummingbird. Option C, eagle. Option D, crow. So your time starts now. Okay, now the correct answer for this one is option A, peregrine falcon. Okay, now let us see the fact. The peregrine falcon birds flies up till 270 kilometers per hour and also is the high weaving bird. It can weave its prey at height of 8 kilometers. Which bird builds the biggest nest? Option A, peacock. Option B, bald eagle. Option C, penguin. Option D, ostrich. Your time starts now. Okay, so let me tell the right answer. The right answer is Option B, bald eagle. Okay, the fact is the bald eagle builds its nest 2.5 meters across and 3.5 meters deep. Okay, so our next question is 13. In which category does the bat comes in? Okay, bat. And the options are option A, mammal, option B, bird, option C, reptile, option D, amphibian. So your time starts now. Okay, so let us see the right answer. The right answer is option A, mammal. Yes, it is a mammal. Okay, let us see the fact. It is the only flying mammal, as I have told. So let us move further to our next question. Which bird cannot fly in the following? Option A, peacock, option B, hen, option C, duck, option D, ostrich. Okay, so your time starts now. Let us see the right answer. The right answer is option D, ostrich. Okay, let us see the fact. Fact is, the other birds which cannot fly are penguin, kiwi and emu. I have not written emu here, sorry. But other birds which cannot fly are penguin and kiwi and emu. So let us move further. So our last question is 15th one, which is which animal is at a high risk of extinction? So option A, tiger, option B, turtle, option C, giraffe, option D, polar bear. So your time starts now. Okay, so let me tell the right answer. The right answer is polar bear. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, hit the like button, share with your friends and relatives, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And also don't forget to subscribe to my another YouTube channel of art, Srujan Vadvi Arts. So if you want the animal quiz part 2, then please comment down in the comment section. Okay, so we will meet soon in my next video at Sunday at 4 p.m. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.